guys, so I'm back again with another video. This is probably the last or first time. You know what? I'm only going to be posting a video on the same day. So I'm going to be solving a Rubik's Cube. As you can see, it's all mixed up. I'll make sure that I mix it up properly. Okay, so I mixed it up. As you can see, this is a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Some people are not that good at Rubik's Cubing, like say they never actually had a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so we have two. Okay, who's this? Yeah. So I don't really know what to talk about. I don't know why. I'm always like this. I never know what to talk about. I don't know why.
Sono il vicino video. Oggi la mejor serie.
Two Rubik's Cubes right here, as you can So I gotta mix this until about 3, 2, 1, go. So let's see if I can do the same thing. Okay. It's already gone past 2 minutes. Look, I don't really know what's happening. No, I'm so close to 3 minutes. Come on, Ricky. Don't do it in like 3 minutes. Don't do it in 3 minutes. To 1 minute. Don't do it in 1 minute. Oh, I think I did it in 1 minute.
Já você tem o ciclo para me ajudar.
Hear me? Yeah? Make it louder, yeah? So, yeah, that's pretty much all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. Oh, wait. If this is your first time seeing my face on the screen, don't forget to subscribe and turn post notifications on. Oh yeah, so that's the end of the video. I hope